hello students. How are you today? Are you okay? Or KO? Okay, or KO? I am okay. I hope you are okay. This is a new video for math in English. Today we are gonna continue with our lesson and we'll make some activities together from the book. Okay, after that, I'll give you some homework to do. Okay, today, first of all, I want you to review with me the vocabulary we have learned before in the past weeks. So basically, we are talking about measuring length, and height. Remember? Length and height. Okay? And today we are gonna talk a little bit more about this, and we are gonna use new vocabulary. So now I'm going to tell you which is the new vocabulary I want you to memorize, okay? First word I want you to speak out and memorize is, speak with me, okay? Compare. What do you say? Compare. One more time. Compare. Okay, perfect. Or when we use in present continuous, we say comparing. Can you say please? Comparing. Good. What is to compare is to, clarify the difference between two things, two objects, or two measurements. For example, I can compare the height of my fingers or the length of my fingers. Which finger is taller? This one or this one? Okay, this is a comparison when we have something and we compare with other things. For example, if we talk about length, okay. For example, here I have a pen. This is a pen. And this is my phone, okay? Which object is longer than the other? The pen, look at this. The pen or the phone? The phone is longer than the pen, okay? Look at this. Okay, the phone comes till here and the pen is just here, okay? You see the difference? The phone is longer than the pen and the pen is shorter than the phone. So can you repeat with me, please? The phone is longer than the pen. Or the pen is shorter than the phone. Okay, good. This is a comparison, okay? Talking about height. Okay? Let's imagine that we have two persons here. One person is here, okay, is this tall, okay, this tall, and other person is here, and this tall, okay? Which one is taller than the other? You see? We are comparing, okay? This person is shorter than this person, and this person is taller than this person, okay? This person, the name of this person is going to be right hand, and this is left hand, okay? Now repeat with me, please. Right hand is taller than short hand, and left hand is shorter than right hand. Okay, perfect. So we have talked about compare, taller, shorter, longer. And now other word I want you to understand is the word estimate. Can you repeat with me, please? Estimate. Estimate. Good. What is to estimate? So is to try to guess or to know what is the length, the height or something that you can see but you cannot measure. Okay, if you want to get the accurate length or height for something, you need to use a tool, you need to use a measuring item. But just looking with your eyes, okay, for example, if it's your mother or your grandmother over there, look at your grandmother and your mother and try to estimate how tall is her. How tall? This is how to use the word estimate. Now we're going to make some exercises from the book and you will understand better these two words, compare and estimate. Let's go to our book. Page number 86. Okay. Here we are going to compare, as you see here, comparing lengths. Remember, lengths, not height, but length. Okay, so let's go straight to the exercise. Okay, here we have two exercises, number 1 and number 2. Okay, so first listen my explanation and then you can write in your book the answer. Let's read here together. Can you read with me, please? I read and you follow me. Let's go. The hibiscus tree is 50 centimeters tall. Okay, this is a hibiscus tree, this one, and is 50 centimeters tall. We don't talk about length, but we talk about height because this item is in vertical position, okay? And we are comparing this hibiscus tree with another tree. Let's read the next statement. Read with me, please. The rose tree is 70 centimeters tall. Okay, so we know that this is a rose tree and is 70 centimeters tall. Now let's compare both, okay, because here we have a question. Read with me the question, please. Which tree is taller? By how much? Which tree is taller? We have two trees, right? One is 50 and the other one is 70. Which one is taller? So the tree that has 70 centimeters tall, which is the rose tree. So we can write which tree is the taller. The rose tree is 20 centimeters taller than the hibiscus tree. Okay, why? Because 70 minus 50, we get the difference of 20. And 20 is the height that rose tree is taller than the hibiscus tree. Okay, do you understand? Let's continue. This time we have a pile of books. We have actually two piles of books. This one, how tall is this pile of books? So here say 35 centimeters. 35 centimeters. But this pile of books is 27 centimeters. Okay? So, which one is taller than the other? Or let's read the question, please. Let's read together. How much shorter is the smaller pile of books? Okay, this is the smaller and this is the bigger, okay, in a comparison. So when we compare, this time we have to write what is the difference between this pile of books and this pile of books. So to know the difference of something, we have to make a subtraction as before, as we did in the exercise number 1. So, as you know, difference is also the answer of a subtraction, okay? So 35 minus 26 equals 8. So we can write that the smaller pile of books, it means this one, is 8 centimeters shorter than the bigger pile. Okay, this one, if we would have another book that is 8 centimeters tall and we put on the top of this pile, we will get the same height of both piles. Perfect. So let's continue, please. Page number 87. Okay, here we have 3 students. 1, 2, and 3. The name of this student is Susan, and Susan is 85 centimeters tall. The name of this student is Oliver, and Oliver is 100 centimeters tall. Finally, the name of this student is Betty, and Betty is 90 centimeters tall. Okay, so now let's read these 3 questions or 3 statements and let's fill the answer. I have already filled, you know, the answers, but please pay attention first, listen to me, and then you can write down, okay? Let's read first. The tallest child is centimeters tall. Okay, when we have a comparison, we can use talking about height, we can use the word taller. Taller, it means taller than, okay, it's comparing with somebody. But if somebody asks to us, the tallest child, the tallest, it means the most tall child in these 3 children, okay? So we have to choose one. Let's check who is, and let's check how tall is that one, okay? Let's go back to the exercise. I think just looking at the picture and looking at the numbers, okay, Oliver is the taller one, the tallest one. So we can write how tall is him, 100 centimeters tall. Then let's read together. The shortest child is centimeters tall. Now opposite, we're talking about the shortest, the most short student or child in these three children. Who is? Could be Betty or could be Susan. Let's check up the numbers. 85, Susan is 85 centimeters tall and Betty is 90 centimeters tall. So who is the shortest? 85 is less than 90. So, or shorter than 90. So we know that Susan is the shortest student. So we write her height down, which is 85 centimeters tall. Last one, he said, their heights can be arranged in the ascending order. Okay, remember to arrange. Arrange could be in ascending or descending order. This time, the exercise requires us to arrange the height, the three heights, in descending order. Okay, descending order. So we have to guess or to see, to watch which one is the highest height, which one is the second higher height, and which one is the shortest. Okay, that is the order. So let's go back to the book. Okay, here we are. The highest, the tallest is 100. So first we write 100 centimeters. Then we got 90 centimeters. So we write 90 centimeters. And finally, we have 85 centimeters. So here we have 85 centimeters. 100 centimeters, comma, 95 centimeters, comma, and 85 centimeters. Here we have the same. We have a comparison between trees, okay? We have 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, and 4 trees, or we can say plants. Okay, it could be, you could say trees or plants. So as you see, each plant or each tree has different height. This one has 70 centimeters. This one has 1 meter. This one has 50 centimeters. And this one has 90 centimeters. The first question says, their heights can be arranged in descending order as. So now we need to arrange this heights in descending order from the highest to the shortest. Which one is the highest? As you know, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So this is the first one, okay? Here you have 1 meter is the first one. After this, we have 90, 50, and 70. Which one is the highest? 90. So we write down 90 centimeters. Apart from 1 meter and 90 centimeters, which one is the highest? 50 or 70? 70. So we write 70 centimeters. And finally, the last one, the shortest is 50 centimeters. Okay, one more page. We are finished now. So this is about comparing, okay? And now we are gonna talk about estimating length in meters, okay? As we have talked before, To estimate is to guess the length or the height of something just watching it without measuring. So here we have an activity in the page number 89. Okay, so you can open your book, please. Page number 89, and you will see this activity. Okay, here we have to fill the gaps. We have the orange gaps and the green gaps. Okay, the estimate is the length or the height that we guess is the right one, but we are not sure. Okay, watching it, what do we think, how much we think tall is it? Okay, and the actual height, the green column, is the real, the accurate length or height of these objects. Okay, here is talking about what is the width of the classroom. Okay, if you put yourself in front of the classroom, how do you think is the width? The width is the ความกว้าง okay? How you know how long do you think it is? You can talk about meters, okay? We talk about meters, not centimeters, okay? How many meters do you think is? Write down, please. Okay, here, okay, in the orange column. I don't want you to write in the green column, just in the orange column, okay? After I let you know what is the actual length. Number 2, what is the length of the classroom? Okay, so put yourself again in the same place in front of the class, you know, just next to the blackboard, and try to guess what is the distance from you to the front wall, okay, in the front of you, far from you. How much do you think is the difference? How many meters do you think? For a reference, one step, one long or large step is about 1 meter. Okay, so think how many steps should I walk to get the front wall from, you know, starting from the blackboard. So write it down here in estimate. Number 3, what is the height of the classroom door? Okay, maybe you have fresh in your mind the classroom door. So try to guess how tall, how height, what is the height of this door? Okay, and try to guess how many meters. Okay, 2 meters, 3 meters, how much do you think? Write it here, okay? Number 4, what is the distance from your classroom door to your chair? Okay, try to put yourself in the door, the classroom door, and how many steps should you do to get your chair? Okay, so you can guess, estimate how many meters are from the door to the chair. Number 5, what is the length of the classroom whiteboard? Whiteboard. So think about the whiteboard in the class. How long do you think it is? How many meters long is? How much? Maybe 2, 2.5? Could be. Number 6, what is the height of the teacher in your class? Wow, that's me, huh? That's me, huh? How tall do you think I am? 180, 170, 190, how much you think? You can write here, okay? And what is the length of the classroom? Okay, the length of the classroom. This is actually the same question than this. Okay, number 2 and number 7 is is the same, okay? So don't worry about number 7 because we have here already in the number 2. So now I want you to stop this video, to pause this video now and fill all the orange column, okay? Then come back to this video. Pause. Okay, now you are back. You have filled already the orange column. So now I'll let you know what is the actual length or height of these objects, and you can compare if you are right or wrong and how much did you fail, okay? The width of the classroom is 6. The length of the classroom is 3. The height of the classroom is 2. The distance from the classroom door to your chair, we don't know, okay? This is 1.5 about. What is the length of the classroom whiteboard? 1.22. It's so accurate, huh? What is the height of the teacher? Actually, this is not right because this is not my height. Okay, so this is just examples. This is not real, okay? So if sometime we go back to the school, I'll let you know what is their actual length really. Okay, so you can write this as examples, okay? Because now we cannot know what is the actual, the actual length or height or something. I know what is my height. You can write here 184. Okay, this is, or 1 point because we're talking in meters, 184 meters. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for paying attention and follow my activities. I wish you a good week. Enjoy and do the homework, please. And I hope I will see you very, very soon in the school. Okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.